We start on the stern section today, and I have to say I had lots of early challenges with the instructions. It should have been a clear instruction saying that the area that was marked out by the laser on the stern should be facing out and not in, so that the windows, as you can see here, are placed from the outside. So that gave me a little bit of challenge. The instructions were spot on in terms of how you align the back, and that was pretty good. And then the decision to leave it in wood or paint it in the cream that they have. It's going to give me a little issue since I painted the frames black already, but I will simply paint the entire back with a spray yellow, which I'll go and look for sometime later today. I also wondered why they didn't use the laser to take the recess for the windows down further. Not everybody's going to have the tools necessary. I had to use some very fine chisels, which this is one of them, and it really was very tedious work. And I said, that's not a problem, I'm going to take out my turbo carver. Remember, I like tools. I had bought a turbo carver at least 4 or 5 years ago, and unfortunately it seems to be all seized up. So I had to go back to the old faithful and chisel it out while I try and get turbo carver to service the drill. So that's where we are today. I've used CA to put the windows on. I will prime this whole piece tomorrow, clean it up, and then stick it on. That's where here, notice I have a nice new building board. I was using the cradle, but I found the bottom white kept getting dirty, so I have screwed it on temporarily to a nice piece of roble wood that I have in the workshop downstairs, and put some supports on, and this is how she's going to be until we prepare the case, which is probably in another month or so. Later on, when I was installing the quarterdeck and on the model that I had done, I squared this off. I realized that the back of the stern port was supposed to be curved. This would have been an easy fix if I had realized it in time. I'd simply add back on pieces and faired the stern out. Now it's just impossible to fix it. So I'll find a way to get an illusion of the curve, perhaps by putting a skirting on the back that is curved. Very annoying. I should have picked it up, and the instruction should have been clearer not to sand down those pieces at the back. What to do?